1973 Ford F-100 pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two-wheel drive, regular cab, long box. 360 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. I'd kind of put this one in the survivor category. If you want to check out the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see we do have rock chips along the front of the hood. And there is some surface rust, a few dings here or there, and we'll kind of point them out as we go. To me, this is one of those trucks looking for one to restore that appears to be pretty darn solid. Or maybe you just want to drive it and use the way it is, riding on Michelin radial tires. You can see the cab corners down here, nice and solid. Again, there's nicks, dings here and there, but overall, again, appears to be nice and solid. Lower rockers. You'll be able to see the bottoms of the doors in the still pictures, as well as the interior. So we have bench seat belts intact. This was a factory AC truck. No longer has all the AC components. Here's a good look at the bed. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. All right, as far as fuel tanks, the rear one is hooked up. There's no front tank on it. This was an original 2-tank truck. A couple other notes from the technician that looked at this. It does have an aluminum radiator underneath the hood. Newer front shocks. Slight play in the kingpins. Brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. Also electric fuel pump that is hooked up to the ignition switch. I'm going to tell you why I'm saying that here in just a bit. There's also a switch on the dash, but the electric fuel pump is wired directly to the ignition switch. And they also mentioned speedometer 5 miles an hour slow, just due to tire size. Now, here's where you've seen a little dinger over on this side. We have a dent down in the cab corner, but again, solid. So like I said, unless you want to drive it and use it the way it is, or maybe you want to take it to the next level, you got a place to start. All right, again, take a look. Down typically where you see them rested out. Battery disconnect, looks like right there. Door panels. Door tag with the VIN still intact. That is the original one. I mentioned that front and back tank switch is only running on the back tank. And then a fuel pump on and off. Those are disabled. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Give this one a little pump. Here's a Holly 2-barrel on there. There we go. All right, fuel gauge coming up. Oil pressure coming up. And again, 360 V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Dash looks good. Seats a cloth and vinyl combination, as you can see. Door closes nicely, sounded solid too. Let you take a listen, nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. Let's go ahead and slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped so we can take a peek at that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Here's a good look at the engine bay. 360 idling pretty smoothly. Again, you can see power steering, aluminum radiator I mentioned. Battery disconnect up here for when it's in between drives or in storage. So that one by the seat may already be disabled. Sounds good. 1973 Ford F-100. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1973 Ford F-100. Looks like an original yellow truck, but you don't see that often. The turn signal indicators are working. The seat is very nice. Cloth and vinyl mixture. Very comfortable, good condition. A very solid truck. Yeah, it looks like a rally style steering wheel and looking great in here. The oil pressure gauge is showing over half. The fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. Our battery on the alternator gauge is charging right in the middle. And the temperature is a little less than half. That all looks good. Speedometer working. The wipers work on this car. The blower motor also works, and the AM radio.
Shoulders and backs. I actually ran into a friend of mine over at our golf course, and he had his knee done. It felt so well.
Nice road feel in this truck. It runs nice and smooth. Acceleration is good. Overhead we have a wood panel as a headliner, which also harkens to the 70s very well. That little rattling that you can hear, I believe, is the inner door panel on the driver's side. No biggie. The brakes feel good. Corners nicely. Corners the way it should. Always great visibility. Great body lines on this truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this Ford F-100 at uniqueclassiccars.com.